Want to upgrade your car with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto without replacing your factory stereo? In today's video, we're counting down the top 5 best CarPlay screens of 2026. Whether you're looking for a budget-friendly display, a smart Android-powered system, or a feature-packed screen with Dashcam and backup camera functionality, we've got you covered. Check out the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. Let's get started. Number 1. LAMTTO Upgraded 11-inch Wireless CarPlay Screen. What makes the LAMTTO stand out is its built-in entertainment system. Unlike many portable CarPlay displays that rely entirely on your smartphone, this unit supports apps like Netflix and YouTube directly on the screen, making it a great option for passengers during long trips. The large 11-inch display provides plenty of screen real estate for navigation and media controls. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto connections are quick and reliable, while voice assistants help keep your hands on the wheel. Installation is straightforward, making it a practical upgrade for older vehicles. Pros: large 11-inch touchscreen, built-in Netflix and YouTube support, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, backup camera included, easy installation in most vehicles. If you want a CarPlay screen that doubles as an entertainment hub, the LAMTTO offers an excellent combination of convenience and functionality. Number 2. 11-inch AI CarPlay screen with full Google Play access. Unlike standard CarPlay displays, this model functions almost like an Android tablet for your vehicle. Full Google Play access means you can install navigation apps, streaming services, productivity tools, and even AI assistants like Gemini. Performance is smooth thanks to the powerful 8-core processor, while the 1920 by 720 IPS display delivers crisp visuals and responsive touch controls. Built-in GPS allows navigation even when your phone isn't connected. The included HD 1080p backup camera and DVR functionality add extra value and improve driving safety. Pros: full Google Play Store support, powerful 8-core processor, built-in GPS navigation, high-resolution IPS display, includes DVR and backup camera. For users who want the flexibility of Android apps alongside CarPlay and Android Auto, this AI-powered display is one of the most capable options available. Number 3. Portable Apple CarPlay Screen 10 inches. The display offers a clean and user-friendly experience with responsive touchscreen controls and reliable wireless CarPlay connectivity. Navigation apps, calls, messages, and music playback work exactly as expected. One of its biggest advantages is the integrated 4K Dashcam, which can provide valuable footage in the event of an accident. The included backup camera further enhances safety and parking convenience. Mirror link support allows users to display smartphone content directly on the screen when needed. Pros: affordable pricing, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, built-in 4K Dashcam, backup camera included, easy plug-and-play setup. If you're looking for a dependable and budget-friendly CarPlay screen with built-in recording features, this model offers excellent value. Number 4. 11-inch extra-large wireless Apple CarPlay screen. The standout feature here is the massive, ultra-thin display. At just 0.16 inches thick, it looks modern and elegant while providing excellent visibility for navigation and media controls. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto performance are smooth and responsive. The included 4K Dashcam and 1080p backup camera add practical functionality without requiring extra accessories. Voice control integration works well for hands-free operation, making everyday driving safer and more convenient. Pros: extra-large 11-inch display, ultra-slim modern design, wireless CarPlay and Android Auto, built-in 4K Dashcam, backup camera included. Drivers who prioritize screen size and visibility will appreciate this sleek, feature-packed CarPlay display. Number 5. 10.25-inch CarPlay screen with Dashcam and apps. Powered by 6 GB of RAM and 128 GB of storage, this unit offers impressive multitasking capabilities. Users can install apps directly through Google Play while still enjoying Apple CarPlay and Android Auto compatibility. The dual 1080p DVR system records both front and rear views, adding an extra layer of security. Bluetooth connectivity, steering wheel control support, and wireless smartphone integration create a seamless driving experience. The high-resolution display remains clear and responsive, making navigation and media control effortless. Pros: large 128GB storage capacity, full Google Play support, dual DVR camera system, steering wheel control compatibility, smooth Android performance. This is an excellent option for drivers who want a smart, app-capable display with advanced recording and connectivity features. After comparing all 5 CarPlay screens, here are our top picks. Best overall: LAMTTO upgraded 11-inch wireless CarPlay screen. Excellent balance of entertainment, navigation, connectivity, and value. Best budget option: portable Apple CarPlay screen, 10 inches, affordable, reliable, and packed with essential features. Best premium choice: 11-inch AI CarPlay screen with full Google Play access, powerful hardware, and unmatched app flexibility. Best for large display lovers: 11-inch extra-large wireless Apple CarPlay screen. Offers outstanding visibility with a sleek, modern design. Best value for power users: 10.25-inch CarPlay screen with Dashcam and apps. Combines Android functionality, large storage, and advanced recording features. No matter which model you choose, upgrading to a portable CarPlay screen can dramatically improve your driving experience in 2026. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.